You just missed the shot of a lifetime because your camera focused on the background instead of your subject's eyes. Stop using default autofocus settings. They're designed to fail in real-world shooting. Most photographers trust auto area autofocus, but that's exactly why your images aren't sharp where it matters. Your camera decides what to focus on, not you. Your camera will still take the shot, even if it's out of focus. Take control. Put the focus exactly where you want it, usually the eyes. This separates focusing from shooting, so your camera stops refocusing every time you press the shutter. Only use tracking when your subject is moving, otherwise it creates more problems than it solves. Once you switch these settings, your hit rate skyrockets, and suddenly your photos look professional. If you want sharper photos instantly, watch this next, because autofocus is only half the problem.